Good day, folks. If you're looking to forward an entire email thread on Microsoft Outlook, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that quickly and easily. So let's jump straight in. The first thing we want to do is select the email thread that we would like to actually forward. So right from here, you can see I've selected the email, and now I'm going to right click on the email. Now from here you will find in your menu bar there is a find related option, and from here you're going to look for messages in this conversation, which is in fact the top option. Now directly from here you can see that these are the messages within that conversation, and this is the email thread. We're going to go ahead and make sure that that top one is selected. We're going to hold in Control and tap A. You can see now that these two messages have been selected, and regardless of the amount of messages that there are in this thread, they will all be selected. You can simply right click now and look for the forward option, which is fourth from the top, and once you tap that, you can now forward it to whomever you would like to. And you can see here that each one of them are their own attachments or their own item altogether. And there you go. Now you can just tap on send once you have selected who you forwarded it to, and you are done. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.